Well, I'm standing in my house, and as you can see, there is a massive rainstorm. One of my porch posts just fell down. Oh, that's nice. Oh no, I just see that my red cushion on my couch is getting soaking wet. It just moved, it blew my lawn chair. Oh my God. Okay, I think I just lost some of my roof. The house. Oh my God. I'm afraid to go look. The power is wavering, the winds are blowing. There it went. My power just went off. And things are just flying into my house. Oh, Lord. This is only the very front of the storm. But I felt the house shake, and I heard metal moving. Oh my God! My roof blew off. Oh my God! There is my roof! Come here, Twyla! And my roof is what took down my telephone line. And my roof is over there stuck. And come here, Twyla! Twyla, come back! Twyla! Twyla, come! Oh my God! I'm on my deck. And that is my roof to my house, hanging. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I don't believe this. In my tree, siding off the side of my house, and I think I'm going to go back inside. Oh, there's a huge hole. Okay, I've got to go find my dog. Lila! Well, this is what day is today? I don't even know what day it is. I just know my roof just blew off of my house. First I had a major ice storm, and now I just lost my entire roof. Okay. Oh, Lord. Mommy's gotta go find Twyla. Twyla, come! Oh my God. I mean, rain has just poured in my front porch. My dog is outside, and my roof blew off. Well, this is nice. Oh well, that's the way it goes in Kentucky sometimes.